Well, hello YouTubers. Today on a Lexus RX300, the problem that we're having with it, heats on the passenger side and not on the driver's side. And it doesn't heat very well. I've tried a lot of things. I've checked there's a blend door actuators. I flushed the heater core. I'm just going to share with you what I did. First of all, if you're going to flush the heater core, in my opinion, the easiest way is to get at it from the heater core hoses that attach at the motor side. Okay, I'm in the passenger side compartment. There's a lot of videos on the blend doors for this car, so I'm not going to show you how to take off the glove box and all that. It's pretty simple. But the heater core is that guy right there. It's got those two aluminum. They go up behind the dash. I've already taken out the airbox. The airbox goes here, obviously. The heater hoses are these two right here. One, two, those two. Okay, you take your air compressor and blow it out. But basically you're trying to get the coolant out of the heater core and into your bucket so you don't have a mess inside the car when you cut those lines. Okay, the heater core is that guy right there. Actually, now what that thing looks like out of the car is it looks like this right here. Here's a new one, cost 40 bucks about from eBay. Cut this one probably right here and right here. In the car, I'm going to cut up here and here because I have this piece of radiator hose from one of our off-road motorcycles. My intention is to cut it right here and use one half of it for one of the lines and one half of it for the other part of the line. This part here, you can watch, it actually moves. See that? Just a quick note. This air saw, which you can get from Harbor Freight for like 15 bucks, is a great tool for this project. Okay, that cut took like, 30 seconds, so not much. And you can see this thing just slides right out. Just wanted to show you a picture of the finished parts there. I don't know. Got some light there. It's time to put the engine compartment back together. Fill it up as best we can. Try and purge all the air out of it. Okay, I hear it coming into the bucket underneath, which means I'm going to try and put these hoses back on. I did mark them top. I marked them top and bottom. Okay, it's all tied up. Couple of things to note. This vacuum line comes off of that component when you take it off. Okay, well, I did get the repair done and success, we have heat. And here is the heater core. Well, they're cut off and pretty much as we suspected, but I gotta tell you, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. Some are open, but first of all, you can see this would have been the bottom of the unit. It would have been going into the car. If you were in the car, it would have been like that. That's the way it came out, or maybe like that, and it slid out like that, you might remember. So the part that we're looking at is the bottom. The bottom is the side that's plugged. And I'm going to show you a close-up. If you go here, closest to the tubes, right? Not bad. Not bad. But as soon as we start getting over here, and now I'm about a third of the way, you can start seeing some pluggage. And then you get over here, and you can see a lot of pluggage. Now I'm about, at this point, that's probably 2/3 to where my finger is, maybe a little more. Some are open, but I'm guessing because there's a lot of passageway here, if there's any restriction over here, it's just going to take the shortest path. This is going to run right down there. I guess if I were going to do it, I don't know how I would do it different, but this seems to be a problem. Anyway, cheers, man.